Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and well, I made it to Michael's and to Walmart, not to a Hobby Lobby, although there is one not too far. But the amount of weight that I have already in yarn, I don't think I can go get any more, but I'm gonna, have a play with these cases. But I think we're at them over the maximum that I can do. So I sat there today and I thought, I did a little bit of research and looked to see if there were two together, and there weren't. So I couldn't get a Hobby Lobby and a Michael's in the same place. They're not too far away, but I settled on Michael's and Walmart. So I figured out the Uber app, and I'm kind of a professional when it comes to Uber now. I wish I found that ease of use at the beginning of the holiday, because I wouldn't have anywhere near as many blisters and achy feet as I've had if we'd only found it. But yeah, managed to get some, and funnily enough, bought more in Walmart than I did in Michael's, which is a bit unfortunate because it was Michael's that had the sale. But I got some really gorgeous stuff. So I got some loops and threads, and I fell in love with this yarn while I was doing my little film around. Beautiful colours. So this, I'm going to have to put my specs on so we can see it. It's called Loops and Threads Treasured Twist Acrylic Blend. 184 yards, so 6 ounces, or 168 meters, which is 170 grams. It is a chunky yarn, a bulky 5. Bam, there you go. So a nice chunky yarn as well. It's quite a substantial thread. So it says 10% polyester, 90% acrylic. Getting fibre up my nose already. And yeah, so isn't it gorgeous? That's what it kind of works up like if you crochet with it, by the looks of it. So yeah, gorge. I'm not sure if you're going to see this the right way around or not, but never mind. So I got 2 of those because I figured they're beautiful, and I think they only had 2. So then next I had to have this. I mean, this is Yarn Lane Chenille Home Slim, and it's 175 yards, 7 ounces, which is 160 meters of 200 grams. It is a loops and threads actually, and it's a bit, look at that, wow, that is fluffy. And the color is a bit darker than that. Look, it's like this. It's just all the blues. It's just so, look how squish it is. It's just crazy squish. So I've got a couple of these. I wanted to get more obviously, but I think the plane would just not take off if I had my way. It'd just be bogged down with yarn, wouldn't get off the ground. So hang on, I've got to stretch. There's this one again, a loops and threads. This is beautiful. You know me in blue, I do love blues and teals, and this is Loops and Threads Facets Acrylic Blend, and it is 279 yards or 256 meters, 100 gram ball. It's a 4 weight, so an Aran for us, and there's a tiny little sparkle in there, look at that. But it is uber soft, lovely and soft, and it's only 1% polyester, so it's got the tiniest hint of sparkle. It says hand washed though, that's the only snag on this one. I don't know why, when it's like 90% acrylic, why do some say you can put them in the washing machine and others not? So mostly I got loops and threads. Look at this, isn't that just yummy? It looks white, doesn't it? It looks like it's got some, it's very pale lemon and different colors of oranges and lemons. It's a 4 weight Aran, 100% acrylic, and 160 yards, 146 meters. It's an 85 gram ball, which is weird, and it's called Impeccable Acrylic. I love all these colors. And as I say, they are not white, although they do look it. They are pale lemon. So look at that a second while I stretch to get, sorry about that. That is the big table. This one, it's just beautiful. All those dusky purples and mauves, and it's really lovely. Loops and threads again. It's a 4-weight Aran. It's loops and threads, soft and shiny acrylic. 270 yards of 4 ounce, which is 190 meters, 113 grams. And I got 3 of these. So that was all I got in Michael's. There was so much more that I could have got in there, but I think a lot of the I think they had the Karen, sorry I'm really hot, they had the Karen yarn in there, but there was only one cake that I really loved, and they only had the one, and I kept looking at these yarns thinking, oh, I could make a nice scarf with that, and that you think, well, how many necks you got, woman, you know? So as much as I loved that cake, I had to kind of give it a miss, because I wanted to get more than one of them, but each of them, the ones I liked, just had one left. It was the quantities were not there, so I didn't get it, unfortunately. But and the other type of cakes that they had there, I can get from one of my wholesalers. So I wanted to kind of get yarns that I cannot get. Now there was lots of Premier, but there wasn't the Premier that I really wanted, because I wanted some of the ones I've seen recently that people have had, and I didn't see those. Plus, you know, I'm a bit limited with the space, but I really like this one. This is just beautiful, and such gorgeous colours. I love orange. There was this beautiful, and I mean absolutely gorgeous chenille orange yarn. I only had one ball. Another one that I saw was a ball seriously this big, and like it was massive, there's no other word for it, and I picked it up and it had some weight to it, you know. Giant ball of Karen yarn. You guys across the pond will know what I'm talking about, but I've never seen a ball of yarn that big in my entire life. It was as big as 3 of your heads. It was just maybe more. It was huge. Monster ball. Anyway, that wouldn't go on my yarn genie, would it? Wool genie. I always call it a yarn genie, but it's a wool genie. Definitely wouldn't go. All of this will, though. I'm not sure about this one. Might be a bit big. So with this, I think I might knit with this rather than crochet. I might knit myself a nice squishy, maybe a hooded scarf if I've got enough. Something tells me I should have got another one of these, because it's gonna, you know, not gonna go as far, but maybe I'll make a scarf or something with it, because it's gonna be like such a favorite one, because it's so ridiculously soft. The squish on this is unbelievable. And then there's this one with the little shiny glitz in it. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with that yet. I want to get some yarn to make a bag. But I kind of found that at Walmart. But this one, isn't it beautiful? Look at those colours. Those are just so rich, aren't they? Those colours, they're just berries. Brings to mind berries. So I made it to Michael's, guys. Can't believe it. You know, how exciting was that? Well, you know, I guess you've got to be a yarn freak to find it as exciting as I did, but yeah, I did. It did really, it was cool. Enjoyed it. And I bought a few extra things there as well. Not in Michael's so much, but definitely bought some more stuff in the Walmart. There was lots and lots of things. I was going to get some scrapbooking stuff in Michael's, but I just knew it was really heavy, and I think I bought one last time. I bought a scrapbook, and because they were really easy going with the weight of the case on the way out here, I shoved it all in, and I ended up paying something like over £100 to just ship another case back, like, you know, to overweight case. So I'm going to try my best not to do that this time. Wish me luck, because I've got a feeling I'm going to need it. It's either that or I just leave. Look, I mean, I'm going to leave some clothes behind anyway. If I can get it in, I'll take it. If I can't get it in, it's sayonara. I'm going to leave it. Anyway, yeah, I'm pretty chuffed that I managed to get there. I'm a bit sad that I didn't see the premiere yarn that I really wanted. Like, I wanted some Fable, and there was another one I can't remember the name of right now, but it was sort of a variegated, really pretty yarn that I've seen lots of people groping on YouTube streets. But I'm glad I got there, and I got to set foot in the Mecca that is Michael's. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and check out my Walmart one as well, because that's coming up. Quests for yarn have never been so interesting. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.